Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. And today I'll be picking one card for your message from your person. So this will be the card. And one card for your lucky inspiration for today, your fortune cookie. So I will leave that card here. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Cancer, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you want a personal reading, I have a very good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr, so you can contact her, Cancer. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Seven of Fire, Ace of Air and Temptation. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you have a lot going on today in your life. You are focusing on certain things, maybe certain things that may not be good for you. It may not be good for your health or good for you, your emotional state. And you are, seeing some changes, something that you never expected. Things are happening quickly, changing so quickly today, leading you into some kind of a choice or leading you towards a path in your career. So powerful transformation or laws of karma is what is working today. Maybe you are destined to do certain things. That may be the reason you are seeing some changes. You are seeing that you feel interested to take up some career path or some options or some choices in your work circumstances. So a lot of changes are happening today. And you are feeling really focused on certain things. It may be your energy in this relationship. So you are thinking or planning something for yourself, something for this person you love. And your attention or focus is on that. You are quite obsessed, maybe. Cancers, maybe for some of you, I also see that you may have some habits. It may be addictive habits. If it is something good, healthy, then it is good, alright. If you are, having some habits like health oriented habits, like exercise or detox diet, whatever it may be, that is something good. That is something you can follow day to day. But if you have some harmful habits, something like drinking or smoking, some kind of addictions maybe, you need to be really careful because these habits are going to trouble you and it is going to change the way things are today. Maybe you may not see positive changes if your focus is on these habits today, Cancers. So you need to change yourself, and you are someone who is a really strong willed and determined person. So that may be the reason you just want to change. So it may be your energy or your person's energy. Maybe they want to change for you, or you want to change for them, or you want to make them change for you. So you are a very determined person. If you plan something, you try to do it using your best of efforts and your talents and skills. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have 3 of Earth. So in this connection, maybe you have a very good understanding. You have that teamwork helping you both. Maybe this person is helping you, and they are helping you because they love you, and they are a very kind and compassionate person, ready to do anything for you today, Cancers. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers, for your relationship. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. Page of Air. So in your work circumstances, you are seeing some good offers, opportunities, maybe new ideas are rising up in you, and you feel really inspired, confident about certain things, and you are thinking maybe it may be a new choice, it may be a new career path, and you are thinking of ways to do things the right way, handle your career circumstance in the right way today, Cancer. So that is the reading here with these cards. So let's see what is the message from your person. We picked one card. Even though I don't show it, I'm sorry for how things went between us. So maybe they are worried about these addictions. They don't want to hurt you. They don't want to create a problem because of these addictions they have. So this person truly regrets their mistakes, and they want to change for you, Cancer. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers. So now time for your fortune cookie. We will see what it is. Challenges. Take time out from problems or conflicts, or approach softly to avoid making matters worse. A very apt fortune cookie for y'all today. So if you are having these addictions, problems, some circumstances challenging you, you need to take things slow, think clearly, and proceed. So that is the energy here with these cards, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thanks again, Cancers. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, Cancer.